Jia vile ilikuwa yo, how you doing my people? Mukoretwo muhana atia? Nie njitagwo Holy J kuri mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook, and this is yet another day ya gukorwo tugika show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. Ngura guko nikuo tuka kwariria maundu maria mothe makorwo makihappen muthenya wa muthi. Kama umekuwa haujakuwa online, haujaweza kuona news, haujaweza kufollow what is happening online, then this is the place where you should be. Guko tukawa tukiariria maundu ma siasa, udaku, each and everything that is happening right now. And umuthi tuna maundu maingi muno. First nyabe ndimwire iradi na hota gwika show. Because tulikuwa na mambo mingi sana pale hivyo, na tena nilikuwa na kifua kikuu, homa irajikareire ta bomu na dirari na thauti, but I thank God that today at least naweza kukuja hapa hivi manze nipige show. Rimwe Chris maudu mahaneka ukona you learn to appreciate things. Tondu tareo nie thauti yako ingiaga thauti ta thaici ndingihota kureha show ino, and you know that is a very those are some of the things iria tukawa tukiassume. And so the fact that umuthi ni twahota gukorwo tukiingira live gwika show ya umuthi, I really thank God and I appreciate for that. Nie ndiwe mukoretwo muhana atia? It's TBT. Umuthi ni muthenya wa TBT. Sound iko fiti, si ndio? Umuthi sound is check. Ndirenda kumihutia ona ndagika ona imwe tondu riu ingimihutia tungienjia githina kingi gitahana. Nie muthenya wako ukoretwo wi fiti. Nimetembea nimerudi. I have stories for you people. Undu wa mbere hena story before hata tuingie kwa hizo stories, ngiingira show tu oro uguo. Hena story tukoretwo tukiaririria, na imekuwa story ya Alex Mwakideu. Hena interview mekire mena sister yake, makiaria uhoro wa uria sister yake akutosheka kwa ile ndoa pamoja na Robert Burale. That was 12 years ago. Na thaishi after story ya gukorwo ikiyumiria, na tumeanza kupata eko after story ya gukorwo ikiyumiria, ni tuonete after story ya gukorwo ikiyumiria ni tuonete thaishi Robert Burale is about to sue Alex Mwakideu and his sister, na areda compensation ya 20 million Kenya shillings. Isho nisho bia ya areda. Iko fiti? Kona eko? Sasa hizi? Yo. Bado iko jo. Leo siwezi imagine manze nikikosa kucheza mavida hapa juu. So guys, hena story inasikika fiti ama?